Common sense, we're doing treatments for a local bus garage, okay? Here we are applying our Common Sense antimicrobial treatment. By fogging it, we generate an ultra-fine mist that goes over the entire, every inch of the surface of the bus, okay? Stops all odors. Anything that generates an odor is a pathogen, and it eliminates that. So we're doing that for the buses, and it creates a protective environment on all surfaces. And our goal here is to reduce cross-contamination. So we're hoping that we make sure we take care of people. So as we spray this product out, it's a very safe product. As you can see, I'm not wearing any protective gear because I'm not here to spray. This room is filling up with the fog. It's good practice though, is our applicators, we put personal protection gear on them. It bonds to the surface. Once it's bonded, it's there for an extremely long time. It's not there for 35 seconds or 2 minutes. It's there for days and weeks, and it keeps on going, keeps on protecting that surface from all sorts of damping, right? And that's what we want to do, and we want to share that with you. And you can check out our website, smartcommonsense.com, and we'll kind of get back here and you can kind of see again what we're doing. And you see the technician spraying the bus, doing what he's doing, and that fine mist, you start seeing it fill up the bus, and it's bonding to all the surfaces. You're only seeing the bulk of the material. That's only about 20% of the material coming out of the gun. There's another 80% that's under 50 micron that's so tiny that you really can't see it. So you're starting to see a little dense fog building up inside the bus, and that's what the goal is. We create that fog. That fog mist covers every square inch of the bus, generating an antimicrobial, anti-odor coating everywhere in the bus. See the fog building? Again, that's covering, what you're seeing is only about 20% of what's actually happening. There's another 80% that we don't even see. The particle size is smaller than the human eye can detect. And as it spreads out, it's going through the ventilation system. We have all the heaters and air conditioners running on the bus, and that pulls the product through the coils and protects those from all the nasties as well, and keeps the bus nice and clean dramatically. If you got any questions, please post them. We'll be glad to answer them, or go on our website, smartcommonsense.com. This is Mike from Microbe Solutions. Hope you're having a great night. Being safe.